Hey everyone, I'm Milan from MK Designs, and you must be wondering what I'm doing with this half dismantled Hunter 350. So in this video, I'm going to explain you one of our very famous products for Hunter. That's the seat and subframe kit for Hunter 350. Let me show you what all comes in the seat and the subframe kit. So we have the subframe that comes with a pre-installed lock. Then we have the tail tidy that goes on the back, and it is used to mount the license plate. And here we have the LED strip light. This strip light has all the three functions: tail light, brake light, and the turn signals. And this mounts easily on the frame, and the coupler comes pre-installed. It's a direct plug and play. Also, in the seat and subframe kit, you have an option either to choose it with the Brat seat or with a Café racer seat. For the Café racer seat, we also have an add-on, that is the cowl. This cowl, you need to choose the color of your motorcycle, and we'll paint the cowl in the same color matching your fuel tank. Here on the shocker bolts, we just need to slide this and it goes easily. And here in the center, this longer bolt, we need to place it like this. So this frame has some adjustment. It can go forward and it can go backward. We can place the seat here, and the center of the pin needs to be adjusted with the lock. So that's why we have given the adjustment. Once this is at the correct position, then we have to completely tighten the bolts of the shocker and the front center bolt. Now we have a few add-ons for the kit. Let me explain each and every part with the details. So here what I have is a side cover. This is used to fill the gap between the subframe and the seat. So this is the stock tail lamp and turn signal mount. It fits here on the frame, and on the rear you can install the tail lamp assembly which comes with the turn signals. And under this we can easily mount the license plate holder. Here what I have is the mud plate, and the purpose of the mud plate is to protect the frame and the under seat from getting any mud splashes. So it is placed here like this under the frame, and it fits completely on the bolts, the mounts that have been given. And this will protect your motorcycle from any extra mud or splashes that comes from under. Here I have the rear fender. Now this rear fender has an inbuilt mud plate, and again it fits exactly the same way as the mud plate, but this has an extension to protect you from the extra splash and give you the off-road feel, the Brat style look. Here is the retro tail lamp. It fits directly on the fender. We have provided the holes and mounts for this. This light only fits with this fender. So if you're opting for this light, you need to choose the fender as well. So here I have the subframe. On the subframe, this hole is an additional hole for the turn signals. I have mounted the mini turn signals on this frame here. This is how it is being used. Last but not the least, this is a wiring harness that we will be launching very soon. So this wiring harness is used to connect the LED strip light, turn signals, and the retro tail lamp all together, and you don't need to cut or tamper your original wiring. So here we have the Brat seat on the subframe, and inside the side panel we have a wire that we will pull, and by pulling that wire the seat gets unlocked, so nobody can steal the seat without the key. And you can switch between the Brat seat and the Café racer seat in hardly a minute, and it is locked securely. So now again, if you have to remove it, you just need to pull the wire. And that was all about the seat and the subframe kit. I am putting up the links for both the subframe kits in the description. Also, in the next video, I will be doing a detailed version for the Café racer kit and the Brat kit. We'll be putting the link for that also in the description.